Investing is a great way to make your money work for you. Even if you only have $1,000 saved up, you are already on the right track towards building a prosperous financial future. Consider this. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, did not accumulate most of his wealth until after his 50s. Yet, he took his first plunge into the world of stocks at the tender age of 11 and dipped his toes into real estate at 14. It is a testament to the power of early financial exploration. In this video, we will explore 5 simple and effective ways to multiply $1,000. These methods have consistently offered impressive returns while keeping the risk to minimum, making them achievable and beneficial to ordinary investors like you and me. Under such an uncertain economic situation like now, these approaches will remain very effective down the road. Get ready to unlock the secrets that can turn your $1,000 into a thriving investment. Number 1. Invest in yourself. Warren Buffett once said, "Investing in yourself is the best thing you can do." As we all know, Buffett did not earn assets overnight. Most assets he has today was through decades of diligently investing with discipline and patience. In fact, he spends 80% of his waking time reading. He said, "I do more reading and thinking, and make less impulse decisions than most people in business." This dedication to continuous learning made him one of the most renowned investors of our time. Therefore, investing in yourself is a low-cost and high-efficient way towards financial independence. What are the things we can do today to succeed? First, arm yourself with knowledge. Reading books about investment is the easiest way you can gain insight and expand your understanding. This is pivotal in investing in yourself. Through reading, you can learn from others' mistakes, acquire wisdom, and increase your value. Take a cue from Charlie Munger. He reads books from various fields. This approach is not just limited to investments, but it is beneficial in the workplace as well. There are 3 straightforward readings to begin your investment journey. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by Jack Bogle, which uses very simple terms to explain investing without bias. The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clausen guides you how to effectively distribute your income and make the most out of it. The third book is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Offers completely new perspectives that school doesn't teach you about finance. Another way to invest in yourself is by effectively utilizing resources online. There are free content available that can help you start a blog, build a website, or even sell goods and services. Choose a field that you are passionate about to kickstart a side hustle. With $1,000, you can enroll in a course or hire a coach for training. Learning from those who have achieved success helps you do well fast. After a few years of working hard, your side hustle becomes a significant source of income. As your business grows, you can hire freelancers to help with some tasks. Eventually, you will earn enough money to take care of your family and contribute to society like the well-known YouTuber Mr. Beast. Keep in mind that establishing a new stream of income is not a straightforward process. You will face challenges along the way. Second, invest in index funds. Picking individual stocks may take a lot of time and energy from you. Most people have a 9-to-5 schedule or even have a second job on the side. That's why index funds come in. Index fund is a basket of stocks or bonds that matches financial market indexes like S&P 500 or Russell 1000. When most stocks grow, then the index fund also moves up. By investing in index funds, you can save so much time in finding the next high-growth stock like Tesla and Apple. What can we invest with $1,000? One of the most common options is to invest in the top 500 companies in the U.S. by purchasing the S&P 500 index. 2 popular index funds are VOO and SPY. Your investment will expose to different types of stocks. Some are high growth and some are steady. It is a one-stop shop for you. After World War II, we have 15 out of 78 years that the S&P 500 provided negative returns. In other words, only 19% of the time that S&P 500 offers negative returns after World War II. The rest of the years are all providing positive returns. It is important to note that these negative years are part of the overall long-term positive trend of the stock market. If you are into technology, You can consider QQQ or VGT. These funds are low cost and give you exposure to most big tech companies like Meta, Nvidia, and Google. If you are seeking a source of passive income, VYM and SCHD are great choices. These two funds are investing in companies that have stable returns with steady growth. The point is to receive passive income but not huge capital gain. After investing in the initial $1,000, you can invest a small amount of money into the funds monthly and let it grow and compound over time. Third, Certificate of Deposits, also known as CDs. CD is when you save some amount of money with the bank for a certain amount of time, they will pay you some percentage of interest in return. Most of the time, the interest rate of CDs is about 2 to 3% at most. In such a high inflation and high interest rate environment, there are financial institutions offering 4 to 5% as interest per year. Generally speaking, credit unions are offering higher interest rates than banks. The threshold is very low. It is usually from $500 to $1,000 to begin with. For example, Charles Schwab offers 5.11% for an 18-month CD. With a $1,000 investment, you can earn $77.39 a year and a half later with very low risks. This type of offer is very similar to investing in dividend stocks with much lower risks. You know for sure when the CD matures. Your principal stays the same and the interest is available for withdrawal. By investing in CDs, you are strategically diversifying your investment portfolio and smartly balancing the risks between investing higher risk stocks and steady return CDs. Fourth, Real Estate Investment Trusts, REITs. This financial instrument offers a distinctive approach to participating in the real estate market without directly owning physical properties. When you invest in REITs, you are essentially becoming a shareholder in a company dedicated to real estate ventures. This innovative structure allows you to benefit from the profitability of the real estate market without the hassles and responsibilities associated with direct ownership. It is a hands-off and lucrative way to tap into the potential of the real estate sector. By law, REITs are required to distribute 90% of taxable income to stockholders in the form of dividend. This commitment to dividend payouts enhances the income potential for investors, making REITs a desirable option for those looking to diversify their investment portfolio with steady return. Additionally, REITs are easy to buy and sell. Acquiring REITs is like purchasing any regular stocks. When you decide to sell it, it takes a few clicks away and funds will be available very soon. Unlike selling physical properties, you will have to work with an agent and look for potential clients. So, REITs are highly liquid. Some of the great REITs are Vanguard Real Estate, VNQ, and JP Morgan Realty Income ETF, JPRE. Finally, cut down your debt. When you put $1,000 to pay off what you owe, it is not just about reducing the amount you owe. You are also keeping extra money that you would have paid in interest. That is a victory for you. In this high interest rate environment, the average credit card interest rate is above 20%. For $1,000 credit card debt, you will have to pay $200 as interest after a year. Clearing that debt early means saving $200 right away. There aren't that many investments out there for us to earn 20% back these days. Even Warren Buffett does not make a 20% return on investment every year. Once you pay off your debt, you will feel a lot less stressed. Now, you are on the right path to building a successful financial future. These 5 simple steps offer a basic guide to potentially multiplying $1,000 in 2024. Investment is a long-term game. Be patient with your investment and believe in yourself. Your dedication will be paid off in the near future. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more helpful tips like this. See you in the next video.